What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Oh, my bad. Whew. I'm talking this from right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, alright? It's a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there. It's a lot of fake Instagrams, Telegrams, YouTubes, you name it, alright? A lot of people still getting tricked and scammed out their coins. I will never write you trying to get you to spend money with me, all right? So if any King Hussle page writes you trying to get you to spend money, it's a new King Hussle page or anything like that, don't be fooled. And before you send your money, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're seeing this face, make sure you're sending your money to the right person, and to make sure you're not getting scammed. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today we're going to be talking about the ultimate trade line site, where you can add these trade lines to your credit report and it will jack your credit up way skyrocket high. You will start getting loans, credit cards, all the things you need, right? So a lot of people probably know about this site, and a lot of people probably don't know about this site. But the site I'm going to be talking about today is Tradeline Supply Company. And Tradeline Supply Company has tons and tons of banks and credit cards that credit card trade lines that will literally, credit limits that will literally boost your credit to the skyrocket, to the high, to the whatever you need. And the more you add at least 5 of them, I guarantee you'll be getting $100,000 in credit limit, no time, for sure, guaranteed. All right, so a lot of people want to know what trade lines is. A lot of people don't know what trade lines is. So before we get into it, let me explain what a trade line is. A trade line is an account that you add to your credit profile that you pay on, that will reflect on your credit profile. It might be your account, it might not be your account. So a trade line could be when you go finance anything you're paying on this account, right? So boom, you can get trade lines from certain websites that you'll pay them, and they add trade lines to your account. You'll pay on that trade line each month, and it'll reflect as a good payment history, exceptional payment history, on time, and it'll start building your credit, right? So a lot of people add trade lines so they can build their credit fast, so they can start getting these cars, homes, credit cards, loans, the things that they need in life, because everything revolves around credit. Every time you go try to get something, they ask you what's your credit score, point blank period, all right? So a lot of people use trade lines to boost their personal and business credit. And like I said, you boost your personal credit enough so you can use it as a personal guarantor on your business credit, and then you just go skyrocket from there. You want to start utilizing your business credit. So anybody out there that doesn't have a business, a LLC, a C Corp, a nonprofit organization, an S Corp, please start getting your business together, because you'll be able to make more money, get loans easier and faster with a business, all right? But right now we're talking about on the personal side. So trade lines help people out very, very much. And I've been telling you guys about these bad credit loans and these trade lines that you can add on your credit report to get at least $60,000. Well, we're going to jack up the price. We're going to jack up higher trade lines, right? So today I'm going to be talking about trade line supply. So let me tell you how to structure everything so you can get to add the right trade lines on your credit report, and then it can make sense. So you won't be just adding trade lines and it's not really doing it, because you got to clean your credit report first, all right? So for people out there that's cleaning their credit report, this credit hack is going to be crazy. So you want to, first, what you want to do, like I said in every other video, you want to update, make sure that your information on your credit report is up to date. So the name, address, number, email, all that good stuff like that. And you want to delete the old stuff, right? So boom, you updated your information. Now you're going to see all the collections that you have on your credit report, because you have 3 credit reports from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So you're going to have collections on, you know what I'm saying, certain bills reflected on certain FICOs. So boom, once you got all your collections off of your credit report, you're going to say, okay, boom, any account that's 7 years or older is deemed as expired. So those are going to be the ones that's going to be easier to get off. So once you got your credit report, you're going to go to Experian Freeze, Equifax Freeze, and TransUnion Freeze. Google them, and it'll take you to the website. Do what you got to do, sign in, and then you're going to freeze all 3 of your FICOs. once you freeze all 3 of your FICOs, you're going to go back and all those collections that you have on your credit report, then you're going to dispute them, because once your credit report is frozen, these agencies, when they try to go verify the accounts and they can't get into your credit report, they have no way of verifying, so they have no choice but to automatically delete them off your credit report. So now you're going to start seeing fall offs, and some people will be having late payments and inquiries. So the inquiries, they tell you who's reporting it and the number who you call. So you call that number, you tell them, give them the rundown, and then start deleting the inquiries off your credit report. Late payments, I gave you guys the 3 laws to use to get the late payments off your credit report. All right, so make sure you tap into that video. So once you got all these late payments, evictions, and bankruptcies, and collections and inquiries off your credit report, now you want to start rebuilding it. You want to start re-aging it. So like I told you, it's a lot of different websites that you can go to start getting these trade lines. You can get a trade line for everything. If you pay rent, if you pay cell phone bill, if you pay electricity bill, gas bill, streaming services, all those, anything that you pay a bill for, you can have it reflect on your credit report. So make it make sense. Why not miss out on that credit boost right there? So boom, that's another credit boost. Then you got Credit Strong, where you can get trade lines, you can get installment loans, you can get revolving credit, you can get a lot of good credit mix. And Credit Strong will allow you to get 45, probably to $50,000 worth of trade lines added onto your credit report. Boom. Once you go to Credit Strong, then you want to go to you got Ava, you got Incredible, you got all these different, you got Self, you got all these different places to add those trade lines, right? So once you add all those trade lines, then you want to go here, Tradeline Supply, and start adding these credit accounts, these credit limits to your credit profile, so you can start boosting it up some more. So you got at least $60,000 in credit trade lines on your credit report. You can go to Tradeline Supply, get you another trade line, and now without further ado, let's check out Tradeline Supply. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about Tradeline Supply Company. Alright, Tradeline's made easy. And on this site, they got different trade lines that you can add. So credit piggybacking has been a credit building strategy that has been benefited primarily privileged for over 40 years. Tradeline Supply Company, LLC, aims to promote equal credit opportunities by making this option available to everyone. All right, so lending through innovation and purpose, providing equal opportunity, and it drops down information over there. So then you got buy trade lines, sell trade lines, brokers, resources. So you go to buy trade lines. So they got a package deal. Package deal discounts 10% off buy 2 trade lines, get 10% off on your second trade line, 20% off on buy 3 trade lines, 30% off on buy 4 trade lines or more. So right here it has the name of the bank, and then a credit limit amount, the card ID, date opened, purchase deadline, reporting period. So all of this matters. So this was the day it was open, 2020. So you want to find the oldest one to have the most age, right? So you would do like a 2017, but you want to do higher ones. So you go scroll down. So this one like 15,000, like 13/4, January 19th. Let's see, 11,000. Discover, January 17th. 5,000, January 16th. You get at least 5 of these, you'll be good. 6,000, and they 400, 400. 16, 4,200 to 15. You just do your research and scroll down, see which ones fit best for you, which ones you would like to add. 6,300, 2015, 6,000, 2015, 16. 10,000, 2018, 10,005, 2018, 12,000, 2018, 14,000, 2018, 12,000, 2018. These are all trade lines. And once you add them, you can get the same amount of credit limit. 20,000. Had that one myself for 500. Capital One. September 19th. Another 20,000. 15,000. November 18th. Let's go down to the big ones. See, look, 63,000. You add this will be added to your credit profile. 63,000 Chase. 63,000 credit limit. November 2007. March 17th. They want 1,700 for it. 40,000, 80,000. They got some good trade lines on here. So yeah, man, tap in the trade line supply. Get y'all credit limits up. Start getting funding for these big loans. 60,000. They're doing $1,000 for that. Let me find another high limit one for a couple hundred. That's probably the only one. Yeah. They got a couple 20,000s and 30,000s. So yeah, tap in. Credit trade line supply company. Get y'all them high limit credit limits, them high limit credit accounts added to y'all credit line. Start getting approved for them high limit loans, credit cards, trade lines, all that. All right, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Tradeline Supply Company. They got trade lines. They got credit limit accounts for the low, high limit credit limits. You should tap in with them. Add them to your trade line. Add them to your credit profile. Those trade lines, so you can have a better chance of getting approved for them high limit loans. So like I said, if you go in there and you add a Chase credit limit for $26,000 for $800, you're gonna have a good chance of getting you approved for a $10,000, $15,000 loan, maybe even $20,000 loan. Even the ones for $60,000, $50,000, they might be a little. They got one on here for. I just seen it. It was like $40,000. $40,000 was $735. Use those trade lines, because those will help. That payment, I'm telling you, you use those trade lines. You get you some pay, and you say, okay, do I want to buy these designer shoes, or do I want to add this trade line to my credit profile? Which one are you going to add? If it was me, I'd be adding... Hold on. If it was me, I'd be adding that trade line so I can boost my credit. This chain's so heavy. It's dragging down my... I get that trade line so I can boost my credit limit up so I can get a loan for more money. And hey, you go buy a bigger chain of them designer shoes plus more. So tap into these trade lines. They got high limit trade lines, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 15, 20. They will help you get approved and help your credit score out and help you as a PG towards your business credit. All right, so make sure y'all tapping into these loans. Make sure y'all using them wisely, and make sure y'all using the money that you get wisely. All right, so shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans, supporters, and new subscribers to the channel, because without y'all, there'd be no me. You motivate me to keep going, and you motivate me to drop this sauce, keep dropping it, make these videos, and keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Listen, come get y'all lessons. A lot of people be seeing me drop stuff. A lot of people be seeing other people drop stuff, and they don't have no clue of what they doing, and they buy stuff, and then they be stuck, lost in the sauce. Get y'all lessons. FaceTime 101 basic lessons is $500. Advanced lessons 101s is $1,000. And unlimited gems, FaceTime 101s is $2,000. And book your seat on the crypto tour in person, unlimited gems. $3,500 in state, $4,500 out of state. $500 deposit. We're gonna pick the date that we're gonna meet up, and the rest of the money we'll meet in person. All right. Also, I'm looking for people for the production company. Any models, actors, rappers, content creators, cameramen, producers out there, got talent, looking to elevate, looking to grow, tap in with me. All right. Anybody with good music, I'm doing a music review, $200. Once you pay, you send me what you got, and we're gonna check you out, and we're gonna go from there. All right. If you're not willing to pay $200 to invest in yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into you? All right, so make it make sense. All right, everybody got the best record, everybody got the best music, so make it make sense. Also, Models, listen, beautiful women out there. I know y'all watching my videos. I know y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the swag. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see the production company. Y'all see the business. And I want to see you make money. I want to see you elevate and win in life too, all right? So listen, if you ready to win, if you ready to work hard, you ready to elevate, you ready to grind and hustle, tap in with me. A lot of y'all be sitting back and just taking all these model pictures and looking good and not doing nothing with them. A lot of y'all make twerk videos and post them on social media and make no money. So I'm going to help you get paid. I'm going to help you get paid being beautiful. I'm going to put you in all the right positions. I'm going to have you in music videos. I'm going to have you doing podcasts. I'm going to have you doing blogs. I'm going to have you doing music. I'm going to have you doing skits. I'm going to have you show you how to make passive income. I'm going to show you how to invest. I'm going to show you all the things that you need to do that no one's ever showed you so you can become successful, so you can become a multi-millionaire, you can be blessed, and you can help your family out and your people out, all right? So make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed, all right? So let's win together and let's get this money. Let's take off. Also, cameraman out there, you got a good camera, 4K or better, HD, any of that, and you got good editing skills, tap in with me. You in Houston, Texas, or if you in surrounding areas and can travel, tap in with me. Producers, tap in with me. Anybody out there looking to make $90,000 or more a month, $3,000 a day off YouTube without showing your face, without having to do nothing but post videos, outsource the videos and then post them, tap in with me. I'm just called YouTube automation. I'm gonna show you how to make the money, $500 to help you. I'm gonna show you how to do it. And if you want me to help build your channel for you, post 5 videos. And if you want me to help you grow the channel and make money with me, it's gonna be $1,000. All right, so you're gonna for sure make money off this channel. You gonna for sure get paid, and we're gonna grow together. All right, so without further ado, y'all know how I get down. Y'all know how I do it. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.